Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Monday.com dashboards with charts and filters step by step clearly. To set up Monday.com dashboards with charts and filters, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the dashboard section from your workspace. Click on New Dashboard to create a fresh dashboard. Name your dashboard to reflect its purpose. Once created, you'll see a blank canvas ready for design. Next, click on Add Widget to begin adding elements to your dashboard. Select Chart from the available widget options. Choose the type of chart that best suits your data needs, such as bar, line, or pie. After selecting a chart type, connect it to the relevant board by clicking on Connect Board. Choose the specific board that contains the data. Once connected, configure the data source for your chart. Specify which columns to include in your chart's dataset. Adjust the grouping and aggregation settings to refine the data representation. After setting up the chart, you can customize its appearance by clicking on the settings gear icon. Modify chart colors, titles, and legends to create a visually appealing design. Next, repeat that Add Widget process to incorporate filters into your dashboard. Select Filter as your widget type. You'll be prompted to link the filter to a specific board or data source. Configure the filter options to allow viewers to narrow down data based on specific criteria. You may set up multiple filters for enhanced data drilling. Position the filters in a logical place on the dashboard for user accessibility. Once all widgets are added and configured, review the layout for balance and clarity. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure that the data flows logically for users. Now, share your dashboard with team members who need access to the visualized data. Encourage collaboration by allowing others to engage with the widgets you've created. Monitor the dashboard's performance and make adjustments as needed over time. Your Monday.com dashboard is now fully set up with charts and filters for effective data visualization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.